it's avocado season, okay, so I have this problem. I buy like 3 avocados and I can end up using only one because both get spoiled. And avocados are expensive, okay, so tell me, how do I get my avocados?
For you most of the time. We can never be sure of 100% with avocados, but higher chances when you buy avocados locally. These are grown in Srikakulam. So when you buy avocados, make sure that there are no bruises.
Okay.
Right? This is just a color. It's not a bruised paper like this.
Okay.
Okay? And set it aside on a counter or inside the cupboard or whatever. But every day you should check.
Okay.
Okay? How do you check? You check not like.
Sometimes some sides are soft and some are hard. Then?
Right. So that means that the avocado is not good to start with. So you're better. No, when you find it soft in some areas, you might as well cut it and use what is good. Because as it ripens, it's going to get spoiled. Some of it is not. So this is how you cut avocado. Cut it long like this. And just do one.
Oh, but this looks like yummy.
Almost good, right? It's 90% good. So that one, dark one, that means it got oxidized. It's not good. So you take that part out, scoop it out,